Well, all right, ladies and gentlemen, today is the day. I've been waiting 30 days, I think, for this drone. And I was one of the first ones to order it from AliExpress. And these scissors suck. But it is finally here. And so let's see what it's all about. As you can see, it is the SG907. Who knows the company name, but I don't know, we'll just call it the SG907 for today. And it is fairly well packed in a nice styrofoam box. Uh-oh, time for the first look at it. There it is. It's actually a bit smaller than I expected it to be. I kind of thought that when the postman delivered it this morning as well. Seems the controller is bigger than the drone. It's a nice hefty controller. Very nice. Very nice controller. Sturdy. My phone will fit in there. Sure will. That's an LG V30 with 6.1 inch screen or something, so I think that's about normal. Most people's phones will fit in there. I don't know if you have a smaller phone, you might be, if you have an old iPhone 5 or something, 4. I don't know if that'll even run the app for this, but we'll see. Hopefully. What kind of batteries does it take? Well, we need a screwdriver to figure that out. Alright, so here's the drone. I have one of the, if you see my other video about the little micro drone, this looks very similar, just a bit bigger. It's got the same kind of power button and arms fold out. Yeah, that's quite nice. Quite nice size. It's got, where's the battery on this? Oh, it's got some charge on it. Where's the battery? Just like that. I did order one with extra batteries. One extra battery. Thought I ordered one with 2 extra batteries, but I guess I just ordered one with 1 extra battery. But they say the flight time is 18 minutes on one of these, so I don't know how many milliamps it is, but I think this said somewhere around 1600 milliamps, 7.4 volts, 1600 milliamps. So 2 batteries should be quite nice for this. It's got a 4K camera on the bottom. I believe the 4K camera is on the bottom. And then this is a 1080p upscaled camera, but it does move, and it has a control on the remote for it. So there's that. It's a nice looking little drone. It did come in a variety of colors. I think I just got silver because, I don't know, I think they reflect better in the sun, so if you lose them, you can always find them. Alright, so we'll set this over here, out of the way. Like I said, we got an extra battery. And this whole thing was about, shipped to me in Europe, was about $100. And it's got GPS on it, you know, flow sensor, front-facing camera that moves, no gimbal, but for $100. The only thing it doesn't have, some people are going to complain about, is an SD card. So we're going to have to, you know, you have to stream it to your phone, which I don't mind these days. I have, you know, 256 gigabytes on my phone. I guess it's a bit of lag, and you always have to worry about it, make sure it's filming. But it would be nice to have an SD card. But at this price range, for this quality drone, it's nice, and it's not too heavy, but it's a sturdy feeling drone. I mean, obviously, 90% of the weight is the battery. That is literally a very, very light drone. But it's a fairly nice looking drone, and hopefully we'll see how it flies a little bit later on today. What else we got here? We got obviously the accessory pack, which comes with everything. So it's probably our USB cable, some sort of screw, and a screwdriver to remove the props. And we have a bag. This is nice little sealed bags with 4 extra props. These are the props. So like I said, that's my phone. It's 6.1 inches, so nice size props. And let's see what's in this little accessory bag while we have it here. So yeah, of course your micro USB. Oh, and these are the thumb wheels for the. Don't want to cross-thread those already. There you go. Yeah, this is a. Well, let's see how many batteries this thing takes in the controller. You know how many little screwdrivers I have like this from these drones? It's ridiculous. I'm sure you all do too. So 4 AA batteries it takes. This is seriously, the controller weighs more than the drone. But the nice thing, like I said, this is a 5G drone with GPS, a flow sensor, and the camera moves up and down via, some will figure that out later because there's no instruction sheet, is there? Oh, there is. It's a nice little software instruction in about 95 different languages. And again, oh, this one's the Spanish, English, and German, and this one is French, Italian, Chinese. This seems to be the quick start guide. Video tutorial. It says ZLRC SG907, so that's what I guess we're gonna call this, the ZLRC, because everywhere online on Banggood or on AliExpress, which you can find the link in the description if you want to buy this drone, I will just call it the 907. So the SG907. So you just search for what you can find it. But they have a video tutorial that you can use the QR code for. All right, guys, have a great day. We're gonna go out and put this together and go fly it. So we'll see you soon with the second part of this video.